Good day, doctor. Now we're going to explain why we're going to design these forced labor uterine contractions for pregnant women. First, this device is used to help pregnant women differentiate true and false labor uterine contractions by providing them the accurate real-time updates in our device to reduce their unnecessary stress and hospital visits. Second, our group also aims to develop a small, affordable, portable device for pregnant women and their family to detect these kind of contractions at home. And our device also provide easy understand reading to improve interprofessional communications between caretakers or nurse and the pregnant woman. And the secure data storage with real-time data transmissions also integrate for prompt analysis by healthcare providers. There are few problem statements still exist nowadays. For example, it's difficult for pregnant women to differentiate which one is true or false labor corrections. If pregnant women wanted to test for the corrections, they must go to the hospital because only hospital available for the CTG machine. But CTG machine is bulky and limits of patient mobility, so it will result in frequent or unnecessary journeys for pregnant women and require pregnant women to spending a lot of time in hospital.
The difference between true and false labor contraction, that true labor contraction has a pattern, so we can predict the progression of labor, while the false labor contraction does not have a pattern and is usually mistaken as the true labor contraction and is very similar and always mistaken as the true labor contraction. So here's some of the pattern that we are talking about, which is the regularity, the frequency, duration, intensity, location of pain, and the cervical change. Based on our research, we are implementing three main rules, which is the 511, 411, and the 311. The 511 is the early stage of the contraction. The contraction interval are 5 minutes apart and the contraction will start for 1 minute within 1 hour. Next, we implement the 411 for the pre-active stage of contraction, which is the interval is 4 minutes, contraction for 1 minute within 1 hour. Next, we implement the 311 for the active stage of contraction, where the interval is 3 minutes, contract for more than 1 minute for within 1 hour. How our device works is once it detects the contraction, it will implement the 511 rule. This process will repeat 3 more times consecutively. Then the green LED will light up and the monitor will display early stage of labor. Next, second rule, which is 411. So we implement this process, we will repeat 2 times consecutively. The yellow LED will light up and the monitor will display pre-active labor contraction. Lastly, the third rule will apply, which is the 311. This process repeats 3 times and once completed, the red LED will light up and the monitor will display active contraction. An alarm will sound and message will alert the caretaker to the hospital. In any stage, if there are false labor contraction, whether it's long interval or contraction are too short, the process will repeat from the start. We also integrate the usage of emergency button. In any situation, if the pregnant woman feels uncomfortable, she can press the emergency button and alarm will alert the caretaker for further action. Our products are based on the public opinion. So next, Akhil will explain about the market survey that we have done.
Alright, so to better understand the market and ensure our product meets the user need, we conducted a survey from 140 participants including healthcare, professional, pregnant women, caregivers and the general public. From the survey, we received a lot of valuable feedback and comments which highlighted several key factors including portability, cost effectiveness, user friendliness, emergency alerts and also IoT integration which is Bluetooth. So we also analyzed current market solutions such as tracking apps and CTG device and compare them with our product which is ConTrack based on critical features. So there are a few things that we need to highlight. The first one is the portability. ConTrack and tracking apps are highly portable unlike bulky CTG device. The price of our ConTrack is affordable if you want to keep one at home, so it will save your time, gas card and so on. Next is the belt support. Our product also come with maternity support belt and is designed to enhance the comfort of pregnant women during use. The next one is the easy to use. Our ConTrack friendly user, while CTG device often require professional assistance. Next one is the display, the accuracy, and the last one is the emergency button. Our ConTrack have unique features which is emergency button that enabling quick alerts to medical personnel. So overall, our findings show that ConTrack offers an affordable and accurate solution by combining tracking app convenience with CTG device reliability to support the pregnant women and healthcare providers.
So this is our product, which contain the maternity support belt, the monitoring device, and also instruction, key features, warning, and contact information in our box. And we also attach it at the back of the device. So this is a step-by-step to wear our maternity support belt. First, wrap the main belt with the sensor around your waist, positioning it below your belly for support. Second, align the back support with your lower back. Third, attach the back support to the side of the main belt using Velcro. Fourth, place thin strip across the top of your belly. Next, Velcro the end of the upper strip to the back support. And last, ensure proper alignment and adjust for comfort. Next, when you are not using the device, you can disconnect the battery and the sensor and put it at a safe place. When the device detects 3 times through contraction, it will show early stage on the LCD. Then it continues detecting the contraction for 2 times, it will show pre-active stage, and then it continues detecting for 3 times contraction, then it will show active stage. So the mother needs to go to hospital, and there is an emergency button for the mother to push to give emergency alarm to the caretaker's phone.
In summary, based on extensive research and market surveys from various individuals, we apply these 3 stages of correction rules into our product, and our goal is to develop a monitoring device to detect the forced labor uterine corrections while it's providing the additional values. And our title is very meaningful because pregnancy often comes with a lot of challenges such as stress, unnecessary hospital visits, or misdiagnosis by caretakers or nurse. So many unexpected situations may come to the pregnant women, and it causes pregnant women to worry about their baby. Therefore, our device is used to ease these concerns by providing the more accurate and more comfortable convenience device, and to ensuring the experience throughout the pregnancy for the pregnant woman.